Good evening, folks. Today we just got a call from some hunters who have they've completely lost their dog in the field near Sofia somewhere. So now we're going to try to find the dog with the DJI Matrice 30T with a thermal camera, do some surveillance. So I hope it goes fine. I'm gonna charge the batteries. Там начнем. Topal mı?
Meske palen.
Da.
Meske palen. Pressen.
So we just found on the thermal camera a spot, a very hot spot, and went there with our jeeps, and but it just turned out that it was like a on fire, probably turned on like today in the morning or something, and it's still warm. So unfortunately it was not the dog, but we'll continue searching. After several flights with the thermal camera, we found many rabbits and smaller animals around in the field. But unfortunately, we didn't find the dog. Still, it was a really good practice. Flying in the dark in harsh conditions helped us a lot to get oriented and understand how search and rescue missions are actually carried out in real life.